So today in this video I would like to share how we can add the freezing parts which is not included in the freezing, so we can add by ourselves. So first of all, I'm going to open this freezing. I already make the video that how we can download the freezing application for the free, so you can check it out in the link. So we're going to open the Fritzing application here, and of course this is a normal for. So we're going to choose the breadboard, and so the breadboard here is the size here. You can choose either you want to have the full or half. I'm going to choose half. Okay, and then this I make it minimize a little bit, make it smaller. You just control from your mouse. So here's the part. So I'm going to use anything you can search from here. Okay, I'm going to use for Arduino Uno. So once I type Arduino Uno, here is the regarding all the Arduino board that we show here, whatever is included from the Fritzing application here. So I'm going to choose Arduino. Alright, so the parts that you need is you just directly search from here. So today here is I want to use for ESP32. So ESP32. So once you choose you search ESP32 board, there is no ESP32 board here. So what it's come up is here. So this is FTDI PC, this is Explorer, Arduino Pilot Maker. So there is no ESP32 board here. So what we're going to do is you can add any part from here. So from this part, you click from here, is import. Alright, so imports. Of course, you don't have any parts yet, so first of all we have to download. So minimize, it goes to the Google. Right, so here I'm just gonna show you from the beginning. So in the search bar you can use any Google or Firefox or Yahoo, any browser. So I'm gonna use here is ESP32 board freezing. So you have to mention the freezing because we're going to search for using the freezing. So ESP32 board freezing and enter search. So here freezing part of ESP32 parts forum. So this is that some of us whoever want to find any parts, we have the forum. So click the link. And here, okay, this person is I need a freezing part of the ESP32 board. Anyone interested in creating it for remuneration? Alright, so we just search in the down here, go anybody post this freezing part. Oh, here, yeah, same issue, several. Right, okay, blah blah. Then okay, cheers. Here's someone is a very useful post he upload here. Then just clip it. And then this is a freezing application and a save. So you already download this into your computer and this minimize, and now go back to your freezing, and now this time you can go to the part and import. So what you're going to import is whatever you already download from your computer and download. So I download ESP32 which is 38-pin and open. Alright, so this time I get ESP32. So ESP32 is in the freezing part here. Alright, so the Arduino, same goes to any components, any parts. If you don't have in the freezing, some of the part is not included in the freezing application, so we have to download and add by ourselves. Alright, so this is not only for this, you can import anything, whatever you need from the cooker and just download and save and click from import. All right, so that's all guys. I hope this video will help for someone, and thank you for watching my video. So just close a yes. Oh, this one is all right. These things don't need to save. Okay, save and no save, no save. All right. Okay, thanks for watching.